skip the chain.
We're gonna get started with
Create a
doing this
foundation lemon peel stitch instead.
We're going to, of course, first make a slip knot. Leave a tail long enough to rejoin to or seam end. And I would say, you know, more than 2 inches, basically. You are going to chain 1 to begin the foundation lemon peel stitch. You are going to, this is one of the most difficult parts of this stitch, you are going to go into the back bump of that chain you just made, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop to make your first chain, and yarn over and complete your single crochet. You are then going to complete a double crochet foundation stitch. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the chain you just completed, yarn over and pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop to make your next chain, and then complete your double crochet. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops on the hook twice. And that is it. So basically what you're gonna do back and forth, and I'm gonna do a few more. Again, the hardest part is gonna be making sure you work into that back bump of the first foundation single crochet that you're making. However, to make the foundation lemon peel stitch, all you're doing is a foundation single crochet and then a foundation double crochet. So we just finished a double. And so we're gonna go back into the chain we just made, okay? Yarn over and pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over and make our next chain by yarning over and pulling through the first loop on the hook. That leaves us with 2. And we're going to complete our single crochet by yarning over and pulling through the 2 loops on our hook. We are going to complete the lemon peel sequence by doing a double crochet foundation stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain that you just completed, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete your double crochet. These are pairings. The lemon peel stitch is a pairing sequence. A pairing sequence, by that I just mean you're doing a single crochet and then a double crochet. Single, double, single, double. The other thing is you're going to end up with an even number of stitches, and you're going to end on the opposite of what you started. So we started with the single crochet, we're going to end with a double. We are going to continue working this to the desired or required length. So you guys know everything I do is measurement based. For those of you who are in class, I will add additional notes. If you are a student of mine and we're using this stitch, I will add additional notes underneath the posting of this video. Okay, so hopefully you guys find this helpful as you are venturing into using the lemon peel stitch. If you've been hanging around following me, you know that I am in love with this stitch for crochet garments. I think it has another name. Please do not ask me what it is. But I'm also very anti-chaining in garments to begin garments.